Hi everyone, I'm Chelsea from Twinkl Crafts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use this Sadaqah box template. As well as a printout of the template, you will need a clear piece of plastic, such as a laminating pouch or a plastic wallet, to complete this craft. Sadaqah is a voluntary selfless act carried out for the benefit of everyone, with no expectation of anything in return. This could be as simple as offering help to someone in need or holding open a door for a friend. While Muslims are encouraged to give out Sadaqah throughout the year, Ramadan is a special time when people are encouraged to give more generously. One way you can give to others is through money donated to charity. Children love getting involved with collecting money for charities, and this is a fab visual way for children to see the benefit of their actions. First, cut around the unbroken outline of the template. Make sure to cut the 2 small snips at the top of the template. Then cut the centre window from the Sadaqah craft template. Next, use a ruler to create neat fold lines along all of the dotted lines in the template. Now retrieve your piece of clear plastic. Measure a piece which is slightly larger than the window but smaller than the whole template. Use glue to attach the sheet of plastic to the frame. Then glue the centre flap at the top of the template down on top of the plastic. This will create a smooth slot for the money to slide into the Sadaqah wallet. Then apply glue to all of the other glue tabs and close up the rest of the wallet. You can then decorate your Sadaqah wallet. Children can use this Sadaqah wallet throughout the month of Ramadan. Showing generosity, they will add spare change to their wallet and see the amount grow and grow. At the end of the month of Ramadan, they can choose where to donate their money to. We hope you enjoy this craft activity and see you in your next craft project.